G'day viewers, Dodger Mohr, welcome to the channel. Okay, just heading home after a hard day's work. It's not the best time to be a postie around Christmas time. We're absolutely flat out. Last week I put in about 50 hours. This week again 50 plus, and they've actually asked us if we're interested to come in and work on the weekends, but I'm going to give that a miss. But I'm doing a bit of a test run on the camera. I've got the GoPro 10 using the mic adapter, and I've put in a Rode microphone, a lavalier microphone, and yeah, just going to give it a bit of a test run. It's trying to eliminate wind noise as much as possible, but at the moment I've got my visor partially open. It's a pretty warm day today, about 28 degrees. But yeah, beautiful day though. And I've also been changing the settings in regards to the GoPro 10. I'm filming it at 4K 60 frames per second, 16:9 ratio. Bit of traffic around. There's one of the posties coming back. Roads have been very busy leading up to Christmas. I suppose people doing their Christmas shopping, or look at all the traffic coming back. My God, absolutely crazy. I actually was intending to go for a bit of a ride after work up to the Dandenong Ranges, but just absolutely knackered from today's work. I've already spent close to 5.5 hours on a motorbike, even though it's only a little scooter like thing. The CT, or no, actually the NBC's 110cc. All the traffic up ahead. Looking forward to getting away in February. Yeah, the wife and I are going to be doing a road trip for approximately 1 month, and we'll be following the coastline of Victoria into South Australia. A bit more about that ride in the near future. I'll go through and show the itinerary plus all our camping gear and etc. Yeah, this trip that we're planning is going to be in peak summer, so it's going to be quite warm. That's why we decided that we're going to follow the coast, so at least we've got the opportunity of cooling ourselves down after a ride by going for a bit of a swim in the beach. But yeah, looking forward to it. 21 days of travel over 30 days. So, you know, if we decide that we want to stay somewhere a little bit longer, we can. Going to be trying to do a fair bit of camping on this trip, and we most likely will go for a motel here and there just to freshen up, or if it's got rain or if it's just too hot. But yeah, we haven't booked anything, nor have we got any destination places where we decided that we're going to stay. Just the actual itinerary, as in the route that we want to take. But anyway, more about that trip in the future, in a future video. Looking forward to the trip, so yeah. Just trying to concentrate on getting home at the moment. This is fucking crazy, the amount of traffic. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to see more of my rides. There'll be plenty coming up in the new year. Got a lot planned. So anyway, take care, and we'll see you all later.